Children, 25 students, take your notes, pen, and go to type for the drawing circles. Eyes. See, in previous classes, we discussed about all terms. What are there in the sets? What is a set first? Set is a well-defined collection of well-defined objects, distinct objects. Collection of well-defined distinct objects. The objects of the set are called elements. So each element of the set should have common property. They should have a common property. Among the elements, all are belongs to the set. Even numbers means all the numbers are even. Odd numbers, all the elements are odd numbers. So they have one common property. And we have a dental formula. Every human being have same pattern. We say that is dental formula. Dental formula. Dental formula. 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. So everyone have this pattern. This is the common property. This is and one. Dental form. A set can be written in two methods, two forms. One is roster form, the other is set-builder form. In roster form, all elements are there, are present in the roster form. All elements are there. What are the given elements? That all are written with commas and enclosed with a curly bracket. That is roster form. Second, set-builder form. The same set we are expressing in set-builder form as x is such that x is an element. Then we have to write the common property of the elements. Common property of the elements in set-builder form. In set-builder form, there are no elements, only common property written. By seeing the common property, we can write the elements. Elements in roster. And I explained, we completed on the first in the beginning, I explained about 2.1 exercise. Now I want to explain 2.2. Already we did fundamental operations of sets. Fundamental operations of sets. Union, intersection, and the difference of sets. Difference of sets. And Venn diagrams, and cardinal and cardinal number is nothing but number of elements a set contains. Suppose there is a set A, there are 5 elements. Simply we have to write n of A is equal to 5. Suppose you have set B, there are 10 elements, write 10. So this is the n stands for cardinal number. So we discussed all this, and also relation between union and intersection about the two sets AB. So n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So this is the relation between two sets A and B of with the relation is with cardinal member. So we discussed all this. We covered all subsets also. How to write subsets. If a set contains 2 elements, 3 elements, 4 elements, the formula 2 power n. We discussed all. So again we are doing. So we did already all. See, just I explain one by one. First question. Set A given on open page textbook 42, new book, page number 42, exercise 2.1. In other books, page number may differ, but exercise is same, 2.2. See, set A given 1, 2, 3, 4. You can easily write the answer. B, set B given 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. See, here A and B are given sets. Find A intersection B, find A intersection B and B intersection A. Are they equal? Are they equal? Are they equal? See, this is the question. First question. Very easy. See, he is asking intersection. Intersection means, you know, in intersection, write the common elements. Don't confuse. Write the common elements. Very easy. In union, combine all the elements. X is such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B, because X is an element. It is in both set A and set B. We write here and. Whereas for union, we write X is such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. So this is the union. So here one element is there in union means it should present either in A or in B. If we have our student alpha, he belongs to any class, either any class. So he is an element belongs to alpha union. Right. Now we are seeing first draw Venn diagram. It is a convenient way to draw Venn diagrams. Set A, set B. This is mu. Now what are the common elements? 2, 3. Right here 2, 3. And what are the remaining elements? 1, 4. And 1, 5, 6. One also common. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One also common. 1, 2, 3. So 4. Here 5, 6. 5, 6. So now you can easily write one. A intersection B. A intersection B is equal to 1, 2, 3. And B intersection A also same. 1, 2, 3. Because these elements 1, 2, 3 are in both two sets. Set A in 1, 2, 3 are in set A. 1, 2, 3 are in set B. So both are equal. In intersection, both are equal. In union also, A union B equal to B union A. Commutative property we say. So this is true, equal. Both are equal. Both are equal. Are they equal also you know? So we can write both are equal. Are they equal? Yes. Both are equal. Yes, both are equal. Easy. This is the easiest chapter from paper 1. There are 7 chapters for paper 1. Among the 7 chapters, this is the easiest chapter. Very simple. Union, intersection, difference, subtraction, a minus b minus a, right? And substance. And this relation problem. Easy. Like that, second question. A is 0 to 4 and find A intersection of sets and A intersection A. What did you notice from the result? What did you notice? What did you notice from the result? From the result. Now, this is the question, second question. So what is given here? A 0 to 4 elements and another set, null set, empty set. Empty set means no elements, no common elements. Another set B don't have any elements, given null set. So in intersection null set, A intersection null set is equal to null set. And A intersection A, both are equal, both same elements. In set A 0 to 4, again set A 0 to 4. So A intersection A is also equal to A. So in intersection null set, in intersection we are getting null set. In intersection A intersection A, same elements are common, 0 to 4, common. So that is set A given. Whatever A given as set name, we have read that only. If we give B, you write B. If we give P, you write P only. So what you notice from the result? What you observe here from null set intersection, because since there are no common elements, it is a null set. In intersection null set there. In union, in intersection both same set comes same A only, reflexive property. So this is the result. Third question. Set A 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Given. Set B. Set B 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Find A minus B and B minus C. Venn diagram. What are the common elements? 6. Only 6. A, B. Mu. 6 means 2, 4, 8, 10. And 3, 9, 12, 15. Now this is the Venn diagram. This is whole rectangle is universal shape. Now in the intersection only one element 6. A minus B is nothing, remaining elements after removing this after deleting this 6. So very simple. A minus B is equal to 2, 4, 8, 10. Remaining elements. First remove common elements and write the remaining elements of set A. 2, 4, 8, 10. This is A minus B region. Similarly, B minus A. B minus A is 3, 9, 12, 3, 9, 12, 15. Right. 3, 9, 12, 15. B minus. Are they equal? No. In A minus B, 2, 4, 8, 10. In B minus A, 3, 9, 12, 15. They are not equal. They are not equal. A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Not equal. Right here, not equal. Cross. Now, A minus B is circular form. We can express A minus B in circular form as x is such that x belongs to A and x does not belongs to B. In A minus B, there are no elements of B. Only 2, 4, 8, 10. 2, 4, 8, 10 are belongs to set A. They do not belongs to B. That only this is the way of writing segmental form of A minus B. X is such that x belongs to A and x does not belongs to B. And B minus A, suppose B minus A is x is such that x belongs to B and x does not belongs to A. This is B minus A. This is A minus A. For union, x belongs to A or x belongs to B. For intersection, x belongs to A and x belongs to B. Don't confuse. Through this Venn diagram, we can easily write all the things. We can write all union, combine all the elements. Intersection, only one element, 6. Only one element. A minus B, left side part, removing the common elements and add the remaining elements. And B minus A, 3, 9, 12, like this. So, this is the way of writing. Through Venn diagram easy. Next, the fourth. A and B are two sets such that A is a subset of B. Fourth, A is a subset of B. Then what is A union B? And explain by giving an example. And explain by giving Yes. See, this is the fourth problem. Here we have two sets. Condition given A is a subset of B. Subset meaning is the elements of A are also in B. So I expect C. For example, set A, you take any elements 1, 2, 3, 4. In set B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we say by definition of subset, the elements of A are also in set B. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. All the elements of set A are also present in set B. Then we say A is a subset of B. We people of Nalgonda belongs to Telangana state, belongs to India, so we call Indians. We are all Indians. If a person X is there, he may belongs to any state, then he is a subset of country, India. So he is called Indian, like that. So this is the only subset. A is a subset of. So to Venn diagram is set A, set B. Now you always you draw a rectangle. Set A, set B. Then we see this is the representation of subset. A is a subset of B, or A is in B, or B contains A. We can say in three methods. A is in B, B contains A, and the elements of A are in B. So this is easy subsets. I have given previous class so many examples about subsets. Now, what is asking if A is a subset of B, then what is A union B? A union B, blindly we have to combine all the elements. If we combine all the elements, we get set B. We get set B. Suppose our Nalgonda district and Telangana state union. Union means we have to combine all the elements. So it becomes Telangana state. For union means you combine all the elements. In intersection, only common elements. Simply we get Nalgonda people only. Here in intersection, the common elements are 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. So A comes. A union B is B only, and whereas A intersection B means A. Common elements in set A and also in B. So we write that small A. So this is the easy way. I explained this taking these elements also. So in A union B, we can write the all elements. See, combine all elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in union 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 we are getting. That is nothing but set B. This is nothing but set B. It is very important condition. If A is a subset of B, then A union B is, we have to write B, and in intersection we have to write this. Suppose I will change the name. B is a subset of C. B is a subset of C. Here mu. Then B union C is equal to, and B intersection C equal. B union C is C and B intersection C is B. Intersection, common elements. So this is the way of writing. Very important. Fifth. If you have doubt, you can contact myself. You can ask your doubts 99081 54580. This is easiest chapter. I think you don't have doubts. Even though if you have doubts, you can ask. Okay. Fifth. Five. Set A given in roster form. X is such that X is a natural number. X is a natural number. Condition is not given. No end. Set B. X is an even natural number. X is such that X is an even natural number. Even natural number. Set C. X is such that X is an odd. X is an odd natural number. Natural number. Yes. And D. X is a prime. X is a prime. So here the sets are given in rows in set builder form. Set builder form. And if you want writing roster form examples 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dash. No end. For easy understanding. And X is an even natural number. Set B. Set B even natural numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 dash. You are taking up to 10 only. All natural numbers. C 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 dash. X is a prime. 2, 3, 5, 7, next, and so on. See, in the question fifth, sets are given in roster form. Sets are given in circular form, and we are writing roster form for easy understanding. Now, then what is the question asking? Question asking is find A intersection B, second A intersection C, third A intersection D, intersection, and B intersection C, B intersection C, B intersection D, and C intersection D. Okay. See, here we need not calculate all. By seeing only you can say answer. A and B, A are natural numbers, in B even numbers. In natural numbers are nothing but union of odd numbers and even numbers and odd numbers. See, natural numbers are even numbers are there, odd numbers are there. There are only even numbers, so common elements are even. Common elements are even numbers. Even numbers are represented by given set. Name of the given set is B. Even numbers belongs to set B. So you write here simply B. And you need not write all the elements. Next, A intersection C. In C, odd numbers 1, 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 7, 7, 9, 9. So, in natural numbers, there are even numbers and also odd numbers. So, here only intersection part, common elements are given, odd numbers named as C, set C, odd numbers. Okay. And D is a prime. Only these 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. So definitely these primes also there in natural numbers. So we can name as D like this. See, very simple. A intersection D, common elements, prime numbers. In natural numbers, there are odd numbers, even numbers, prime numbers, and also composite numbers. Composite numbers means 4. 4 is a composite. 2 and 2 twos are. And the next 6 is the composite. 2 threes are. Next 8. 2 twos are 4. 4 twos are 8 like that. So they have factors more than 2. 9 3 threes are. 10 2 5. So they are composite numbers. Okay. Following, don't confuse. In natural numbers, these are the union of odd numbers, even numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers. Okay. Next, B and C. B and C. B and C. B set B are even numbers, set C are odd numbers. There are no common, so null set. No common elements between B and C. And B and D. B, D. In B, there are in B and D only 2. B in B even numbers. In D only prime. 2 is an only one prime. Only these 2 common. So you write D. Only 2. You write only 2. 2 is common. And what about CD? CD. All primes are odd except 2. All primes are odd except 2. So write set odd natural numbers named as C minus. So this is set C minus 2. Set C minus 2. 2 is not belongs to the in elements. That's why we are subtracting. No common elements. Odd means what we can write here? C and D. C and D you can also write only prime number, only odd numbers. Common elements are C we can write. So this is the answer. Don't confuse. Think and write. Note down. Okay. You need not write all elements. Write simply name of the set. Their names are given for even numbers. Set A, set B. For natural numbers A given, for odd numbers C given, for prime numbers D given. So by you can write the symbols enough. Sixth also one question I will explain you. A set A given 3 6 9 3 6 9 12 15 18 21. Yes. Set B 4 comma 8 comma 12 comma 16 comma 20. And CD also given. So first I will show one example. A minus B, first question. And given 10 problems, but method is same, subtraction. A minus B, first of all, it is convenient to draw Venn diagram or union, intersection, and differences. Minus Venn diagram, new. What are the common elements in which 12. Only one member, 12. So you write here 12. Set A 3 6. Set B. Okay, write remaining elements 3 comma 6 comma 9 15 18 20. And B 4 comma 8 comma 16 comma 20. So set A, set. In previous problem we did A minus B. A minus B is nothing but, don't confuse. You can write this. Leaving the intersection part, write this part. Remaining is here. This part. Left side part, A minus B. So write here 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21. And B minus A also we can find. Second question asking. B minus A also there. Fourth question. B minus A means remaining elements of P. After removing this common element 12, you write the remaining elements 4, 8, 16, 20. So this is like that you can do other problems. It is convenient to express to represent with the Venn diagram. Easy. Subtraction is easy. Write the common elements first and remove, and write the remaining elements of set A is A minus B, and B minus A remaining elements of set B. In a separator form, x belongs to A and x not belongs to B. There is no element in B. This. And what is B minus A? X is such that x belongs to set B and not A. These are not belongs to set A. These are not belongs to set B. And so you can do all, you practice all. There are given 10 problems. Just I shown for practice one. We did already. Easy. Seventh, just state whether each following statements is true or false. Justify your answers. Seventh question, only word. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a set. And 3, 6. And 3, 6 are disjoint sets. Disjoint. Disjoint sets. But we have a common element 3. If there are no common elements, we say disjoint sets. But there is one common element, so answer is no. They are not disjoint. No. 3 is common element. No enough. There is one common element. First question. Seventh one. Second question. AEIOU. AEIOU given, and ABCD are disjoint sets. Are disjoint sets. So here also we have common elements. Here common element is A. A is A. So by definition it is not disjoint set. No. Reason is there is one common element. Third one. 2, 6, 10, 14. In 3, 7, 11, 15 are disjoint sets. Are disjoint sets. C. Is there any common element? No. 2, no 2 here. 6, no 6. 10, no. 14, 14, no. They don't have common elements. So that it is true. Yes. No common elements. Since no common elements. Fourth. What is the reason? No common elements. We can write yes. No common elements. Fourth. 2, 6, 10 and 3, 7, 11 are disjoint sets. Are disjoint Here also no common elements. 3, 7, 11, 2, 6 is different. So no common elements. They are disjoint sets like this. Set A, set B, disjoint. Yes, right, yes. Reason, no common elements. Easy, no common elements. So, like that, easy to follow. You once again do these problems, think and discuss, and all you will follow this, do these problems, examples for practice purpose. Right. Tomorrow, another exercise. If you have doubt, please contact. Thank you.